बोर्ड बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है, अच्छे नंबर नहीं आएंगे।
Oh, boards are coming, 10th is coming, we have to do well, we have to get good rank in CET, we have to get into engineering.
Oh my god,
And we got beatings, bro. That day I lost interest in maths. I'm like, no more maths in my life.
hi guys, welcome you all to Amrit Talks, and today we are going to do my class 10th mark sheet season 2. And in this season 2 guys, I know there is lot of stress, board exams are coming, so we will bring on people and share their true life experiences, okay, कि उन लोगों ने class 10th में क्या feel करा था, है ना, and what are they feeling right now about that class 10th, और उन्होंने क्या सीखा उस क्लास 10th की जर्नी से, और एंड में गाइस द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट अमेजिंग थिंग, हम अपने गेस्ट से अपना क्लास 10th का मार्कशीट शेयर करवाएंगे। एंड आई हैव आवर फर्स्ट गेस्ट दैट इज उज्जू भैया। ओह माय गॉड सॉरी बट आवर फेवरेट उज्जू भैया। और मैं बताएं आपको जो हमारा फर्स्ट व्लॉग है बहुत ही मजेदार लगा था उज्जवल राज और अमृत टॉक्स का, तो दैट्स व्हाई आई थॉट कि उज्जवल से हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। यू गाइस लेट मी टेल यू उज्जवल के थोड़े क्रेडेंशियल्स, ओके, ही इज अ म्यूजिशियन, ठीक है, एंड ही इज द लीड आई गेस वीडियो एडिटिंग टीम पे है वेदांतु के हमारे, एंड ही इज वेरी क्रिएटिव पर्सन। तो क्रिएटिव लोगों का क्लास 10th में क्या हुआ था ये हम सब जानना चाहते हैं, ठीक है। तो ये क्रिएटिव लोग हैं हमारे साथ, उज्जवल राज तो मैंने कहा इतनी बात करेंगे, ही इज अ म्यूजिशियन आल्सो गाइस, तो सब इंक्लूड करके देखेंगे कि इनका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था क्लास 10th से और उससे हम क्या सीख सकते हैं इन द एंड, ओके। तो हाय उज्जवल, वेलकम टू द अपडेट टॉक शो। हाउ डू यू फील कमिंग टू दिस लाइक माय क्लास 10th mark sheet?
First of all, thank you so much, Amrit, for having me, and welcome to our place. Welcome to my place. Yeah, it's so good to see you here, and yeah, I'm super excited. I'm super excited to share my experience.
And guys, Ujjwal generally speaks in English, and today he will speak in Hindi.
No, no way.
I make him translate it to Hindi.
If I talk in Hindi, my speed will become 0.5x.
But we will make him repeat the words. Guys, मुझे बताएंगे इससे।
Okay.
तो
मैं कोशिश करता हूँ.
very good. नहीं तो ये एनर्जी चाहिए। तो उज्जवल, तो you did your class 10 from Karnataka, I believe, है
Right.
ना?
Right.
Very good. तो what was the perception about class 10 board during your time? Did people say ये बहुत ही important exam है life का, इसमें अच्छा नहीं करा तो तुम्हारी life खराब हो जाएगी? Did they say that to you also?
Yeah, I mean that was a general talk usually, like because everything was peer pressure that time, right?
Okay.
And some students, like especially the toppers who used to do really well in exams and all, they were like, oh, boards are coming, 10th is coming, we have to do well, we have to get good rank in CET, we have to get into engineering and things like that. Those talks were there. Because of that, I used to feel like, oh, is it? Oh, okay. So should I also worry? That was my attitude.
So what type of students were you? You were a topper, mediocre, or in the back, like not getting any marks? Or what type of you?
I think till fifth or something, I used to like have good rank.
Okay.
Like then afterwards, I just stopped, not focusing on studies that much. Like I just used to like just chill and not worry too much about studies and
So
things.
can we place you in the middle
Yeah, probably.
or at the bottom? Be frank. We just
No,
just
I remember like every time we have exams, after the results, my teachers used to call my parents because I used to perform really bad. So yeah, you can put me in the bottom. I'm like the proper last bencher person, right?
Okay, the last bencher at the bottom of the study is very good, very good.
Yeah.
So like slowly we are opening up. We will
Yeah.
see more. Okay, so tell me, Ujjwal, what was your favorite and the most hated subject in
My
class 10? Yeah.
In class 10th?
Yeah.
Okay, I can't directly go to class 10th, but I'll have to go for the history.
Okay, good.
So I remember in 4th standard, we had a maths teacher. Like she's good and all, but once she had asked everyone to learn some tables,
Okay.
and she had informed everyone. And the next day we were supposed to answer in the class. And many students didn't know, and even me, even I didn't know. Like I didn't learn the tables. And then she made us go outside the class, and she made us like put our hands and make it ulta. And she took that scale.
Oh my god.
And we got beatings, bro. That day I lost interest in maths. I'm like, no more maths in my life.
हर किसी की जिंदगी में एक टीचर होता है जो उस सब्जेक्ट के बारे में अपना परसेप्शन चेंज कर देता है। ठीक है, तो मुझे तो मैथ पसंद नहीं था। What your favorite subject?
My favorite was, I don't know, like my favorite used to be like games period. I mean, yeah, and we used to have NIE. So basically, it was a Times of India initiative.
Okay.
So every week we used to have one class where a teacher, not only teacher like radio jockeys or news anchors used to come to our class and talk about their experience. Like journalists, they used to come. NIE was that period. I used to love that because we were learning something new, something out of like we always felt like. So I studied in the same school for 12 years.
Okay.
Okay, so we never had an exposure outside, and our school, like, we didn't have that much what you say, exposure into like going into competitions and things like that. But when we had this kind of things, I used to be like, wow, that is amazing. And also I used to like the library period where we used to go and we used to read
So
some
basically,
different books.
apart from all education period, all the other periods, even मैं ये सब की जिंदगी में होता है नहीं, मुझे भी ऐसे था. फिर library I used to like, PT मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता था. When something extra curricular used to happen.
Computer science I used to love.
Computer science was the computer teacher used to be so
Yeah,
cool at that
yeah.
time. Oh my god, that is so amazing. Okay, then coming to the board part. So did you feel pressure from the parents side, or when you completed, or did you want to make your parents proud in the class 10th exam? Because है ना हम देखते हैं कि स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं कि मेरे को प्राउड फील कराना अपने पेरेंट्स को. Did you feel like that?
I just wanted my parents not to be disappointed in me. That's it.
Okay.
And I remember clearly, like we had 30 days holiday before the board exams.
Yeah.
And clearly for 27 days I wasted my time. I didn't study anything.
Okay.
And the last 3 days I used to listen to the radio. And in the radio they used to give important questions for social science and all that.
Okay.
I just focused on that and I got really good marks in social science.
Okay.
But maths and Hindi I screwed it up, bro.
So we will come to the marks which Ujjwal has got in maths and Hindi exactly. We will come to that also. Yeah. Okay. So coming to this, so yeah guys, everyone, हर किसी के मन में होता है कि यार उसके parents disappoint ना हो. मतलब ये नहीं चाहते कि हम उनके parents disappoint हो जाए ना. We just don't want to see, you know, they with a sadness or what should I say, their society में उनकी image खराब हो जाएगी. What will they think about me? So you just wanted to have that also.
Yeah.
That is with everyone, guys. Then what did you do then? Like you said, you paused on this thing. So were you scared about the result, or did anything like this come to your mind? Ki, what will happen if I don't get good marks? Will I get failed? Or you know, students say कि मुझे कुछ याद ही नहीं आ रहा. Exams में सकते हैं you don't remember anything. So did that happen with you?
So I'm a person like who always does things in last moment. Always. Like that's been my history. And even for these exams, the day before exam, I'll give my best.
Okay.
Like I'll go through all the important things. And I was like, okay, this is what it is. I lost all my time, so I don't have to worry about it. Let me just give the best I can. And I gave my best. Like in the exam hall, actually when I'm writing in the exam hall, I'll be like, oh shit, I should have studied better. That thought comes, but still, I'll somehow try and give my best and not leave anything empty. Like attempt something.
Because before the exam was there anxiety. Ki, oh my god, I don't know anything. I don't remember anything.
Yeah, anxiety was there. Anxiety was there. Like definitely, it's not like I don't have anxiety, but I didn't let it overpower me. Right?
How did you do that?
Like I'll just focus on the moment. Like okay, fine. What is gone. Like if I think, you know, too anxious right now, it's not going to help me anyway.
Okay.
So let me just remember the classes I was attending. Like I'm a person who pays attention in the class.
Okay.
Right? In the class I'll pay attention. And I'll just remember that in the exams. When I'm writing my exams, I'll remember what the teacher taught.
Okay.
And I'll remember, you know, what they might have, you know, shown us and how we should attempt these questions. That is how I do it. So I'll remember that and I'll just write. So that is how it is.
Amazing,
Yeah.
amazing. Okay, so यहाँ पे getting to see, guys, you need to understand कि सबके साथ होता है. सबको लगता है कि पेरेंट्स को फील प्राउड कराना है. उनको लगता है कि you know कि मुझे कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा एग्जाम से पहले. एंजाइटी होती है. And trust me, this was Ujjwal's way of tackling it. Ujjwal ने क्या किया? उसने उस मोमेंट पे फोकस करा, ठीक है? और क्या आप बेस्ट कर सकते हैं उन्होंने वो करा. ठीक है? कुछ बच्चे क्या होते हैं जिनको एंजाइटी होती ही नहीं है. For example, me, I tell you about myself, Ujjwal. ठीक है? I did not feel anxious because like I practiced so many sample papers and all the teachers are very confident that I do really good. But still, just before the day to the exam, my heartbeat suddenly went up and I did a video of that. कि मेरा heartbeat तो बढ़ गई थी. Then what I did is I went up to play. Because I knew I was pushing hard on myself, I was being hard on myself. मैंने इतना sample में practice कर रखी है कि I did not worry about it. So that is one way of coping with it.
Yeah.
You practice as much as you can so that you can be like, कि हाँ, I did
Yeah,
100%.
yeah.
And I went for playing cricket. Right? Just for
Yeah.
That's a good stress ball if you
We always play. 27 days I told you I wasted, right?
Yeah.
I used to go on, we had a mini forest in the place where I was. I used to go there, like go for a morning run, and then I used to play in the evening with my friends. So we used to play cricket.
During the exam,
Yeah. We had a ground in Michael Layout, and during the exams also we used to play cricket. I remember. That was like the stress buster for us.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That is the biggest
Yeah.
question on this. अगर आपको मन नहीं लगा stress हो रहा है तो just do push-up. I say just do 10 push-up. You will feel start feeling good, amazing.
Yeah.
That
Those times and all, like when I was in 10th and all, I didn't know about workout and music. I had no idea about all those things at that time. So my only thing was like, okay, just talk to friends, play outside. That was my thing.
Okay.
And I used to have a computer and I used to play video games. I used to spend more time on the video games. So that's what I used to do.
Okay, we can talk about that also. Before asking about when did Ujjwal start music and video editing and all these things, we just want to know what were your marks in your class 10th exam. Tell me. Subject wise.
actually forgot, but I think I sent you the.
Yeah. We will have a picture also, guys, but we want to hear it from the man himself. What is his reaction? Because जब हम लोग discuss करते हैं कि तुम्हारे marks कितने आए तो you know laughing, I was laughing, you were both laughing.
Okay, what do you want to know first?
Everything, go subject wise. First one.
Okay, I'll say okay. My English out of 125 marks, I got 101.
Oh, I got good one. That is good.
Kannada out of 100, I got 86.
Okay. Out of 100, 86, okay.
Yeah. And Hindi out of 100, guess how much I got?
50.
55. And then maths, this is the least. I got less than Hindi.
54.
Yeah. 1 mark less than Hindi.
Out of 55
Out of 100.
Oh my god, see.
54 out of 100. That was my math.
See the.
You know what I felt after seeing my maths marks. I was like happy. Oh my god, 55, 54.
So this is how you feel after your class 10 results, guys. And after 10, 20 years of those results, this is how we feel about it. Yeah, tell me more.
Yeah. So no, like I'm telling you, I felt this when I got the results.
Exactly.
Even when I got the results, I was not sad. I was thinking I'll fail. I was thinking I'll get 30 or something like that. But I got 54. I was like, what? Magic.
Okay, after all these things, you can tell us what do you feel about it 10 months after this. Okay, tell us more. Science.
Science, I got 69.
Out of 100. Great. Then,
And I got 86 in social science.
it is out of 100.
Out of 100.
Amazing, man. So overall, what's the percentage?
Overall, I got 72.16%.
Great, man. And what did you feel that time and what do you feel now about this percentage?
Same. That time I was like, wow. And now I was like, wow.
No disappointment, nothing like that.
No, not at all. I don't feel like, oh shit, I should have gotten a better marks. I never feel that. I should have. No.
Do you think the class 10 marks have any value today for anyone?
No, not at all. Not at all. Like even if you see, like especially like in my field of work, nobody cares how much marks you got. Nobody cares. Even if you are a failure, even if you are a dropout, it doesn't matter. What matters is what is in your head.
And how much experience you know and how good are you?
How passionate are you at what you do?
And how much are you willing to learn the new skill? I tell all the people it is all about learning the new skill. How fast are you able to learn music? How fast are you able to learn music? Or how willing you are?
It's not even about how fast. It's like how disciplined you are, like and how consistent you are.
Exactly. If you are consistent, obviously you will learn. And like I fast is the wrong word. I'm a very slow learner. Trust me on this. Yeah, I learn.
That's the best way actually.
Yeah, and sometimes people feel, you should be very fast. My friend learned it so fast, you will be secret. But it is good to be slow learner, guys. And as Ujjwal said, coming back to the point, class 10K marks does not matter at all. And you are doing really great. Ujjwal leads the editing team at Vedanta. Trust me on this. Okay, so this is what the value of class 10 marks. कुछ भी नहीं है, कुछ है, okay?
And I was in a state board, mind you.
Yeah.
I was in a state board, and I didn't even know about medicals. I didn't know. I just knew okay, there is something called as CET, and we had for medicals we had something. I think A or EEE. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I see. Even now, I'm not very sure what exactly it is.
Exactly, guys.
I just wanted to. I didn't even know what college I wanted to go, what I should do. I had no clue when I was in 10th. I had no clue.
Guys, समझ रहे हो? अगर आपको नहीं पता कि क्या IIT से clear करोगे, NEET clear करोगे, don't worry at all, guys. We did not know it. It existed at that time also. अभी भी exist करती है. Millions of people are there who don't know about it, and it is okay. Okay, कोई बात नहीं पता तो still you will do really amazing in your life, and we are going to be there with you. हमने talk about we were there with you, Ujjwal will be there with you, and things in your life. Okay, and now coming to the point, when did you start music, Ujjwal? After the
Yeah, so I had a guitar
Okay.
at home, and that was my dad's, and it was there for a long time, but but I never played it.
Okay.
I never touched it, and we had a keyboard also. That was also my dad's, but I was never interested in that, never. And even in school, we never had an opportunity where we could go and play and all that. So that was not there. But when I went to college, and for the first time I saw the auditorium.
Okay.
And I was mind blown. I saw people performing there, and that day I decided, oh my God, by the time I leave college, at least once I should perform on the stage.
Okay.
And I was there in the college for 7 years, and in that 7 years, my dream came true
Nice. So you started playing after college.
after college.
Like
So
after the 12th grade, once you entered the college, then you started.
yeah, so PUC so we have something called as after 10th we have PUC, pre-university college.
Yeah, 11th and
We don't have 11th and 12th. Yeah, for us it is PUC, like PUC 1 and first year and second year. So first year is when I saw the stage and I had the dream. 2 years I didn't do anything about it, but I danced and all, and so many things happened. But then after my PUC, I did bachelor's in computer science. There 3 years went there. Then also I didn't do anything. 2013. So 2014 is when I went to media studies. That is when I started knowing what I want in life.
Okay.
Till 2013, I had no clue what I'm good at, what I want. But 2014 is when a lot of things happened in my life, and I came to know, okay, I'm more inclined towards something related to art, something related to visuals, and something related to films and music. So I went into media studies, and it was a proper course. Like that was a course that showed me, yeah, I can do something in my life with whatever skills I have. And that is when I met my friend Jonathan, and he had a band, and he had recently broken up with his band. And one day someone bought a keyboard to the class, and I went and I was practicing. So I started practicing keyboard, and that day I went and played Coldplay Scientist on the keyboard. In the break time, everyone were outside. As I started playing, people started coming inside the class, and they were like watching me play, and I can feel the same feeling even now. I was getting goosebumps, and I was playing, I was just in the flow, and exactly how you clapped, everyone clapped in the end after I played. And that day Jonathan came to me and he was like, bro, we are starting a band. Yeah, and the band name was Crazy, and we enrolled for Darpan. There is a inter-college fest that happens in college. And I kid you not, 2014, 2008, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, like after 6 years, after 5 or 6 years after my dream, finally we went on the stage. We went on the stage and we performed. Jonathan wrote his original songs. It is there on YouTube. That entire performance is there on YouTube. And I played the keyboard. And we came first prize. We got the first prize. That was an amazing dream come true. And that is how music started.
I tell my students the same thing, man. Whatever you dream, it comes true, guys. I can promise you. Either that will come true or a dream bigger than that will come true. I promise you. Ujjwal, you can see that, right? So that is so inspiring. Like, I know what you must be feeling, and
I'm feeling goosebumps right now.
I'm so happy that we can share this experience with our audience, man. Oh my God, that is so crazy. Okay, on this, Ujjwal, what are you gonna play for us today?
You tell me, whatever.
What? Okay, so any song inspiring.
How about Scientist only
Yeah,
on the
please,
guitar?
please,
Yeah?
please, yes, guys. So Ujjwal is gonna play Scientist for us. This is turning out to be so crazy, guys. Let's clap for Ujjwal, guys. Let's cheer for Ujjwal in the comment box. And guys, there's Ujjwal's channel also. So do subscribe to this. And I'll put it in the description box. And behind the scene videos of this is also gonna come on Amrit Talk as well as Ujjwal Production. So go and see that also and have fun. So here is Ujjwal Raj for you people, guys, playing Scientist. Clap for him.
Come up to meet you. tell you I'm sorry. Don't know how lovely you are. I had to find you, tell you I need you, tell you I set you apart. Tell me your secrets, ask me your questions. Oh, let's go back to the start. Run in a circle, come in a day. Let's go back to the sun. Nobody said it was easy. It's such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it would be this hard. I'm going back to the start. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much.
Great, man. So guys, that was our first guest, Ujjwal Raj, sharing his experience of class 10. This was the first episode of my class 10 mark sheet season 2. We are gonna have many such episodes, guys, during the entire month of December to help you cope up with stress. We are gonna bring normal people, common people, आम जनता, मैंगो people को हम लेके आएंगे और उनसे आपका एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कराएंगे कि उनको 10th क्लास के लिए क्या फील होता था और आज क्या फील करते हैं. How does it matter or it does not matter at all? So guys, I hope you like the video. Do enter in the comment box and cheer up for Ujju sir and do subscribe to his channel. And yes, we are gonna have behind the scenes video also on Amrit Talks and the Ujjwal Raj production. So keep smiling and lots of love. Thank you guys for joining. Bye bye. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Thank you for joining.
Bye
Thank you
everyone.
for sharing your experience.
Thank you so much, Armit, for having me.
Yeah. Guys, hope you liked the video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And keep smiling. And always remember, Amrit Talks is gonna be there with you. And don't worry about your future, guys. We are gonna take care of it. Okay? I assure you. I promise you. I'm gonna take care of future of each and every one of you. Keep smiling.
Yeah.